Hi, my name is John Barry, and I'm here with my associates.
Kunal Marwadia.
Moshe Friedland.
Alex Williams.
And Sushmita Tatari.
And you may know us from other films, such as Wine, The Tale of Two Grapes, The Passion Fruit. But today, my fellow reporters and I bring you something far more invigorating than Two Grapes' journey to Tuscany, or the ongoing debate of whether a passion fruit is gross. Today we bring you business law and ethics. Should this be your major?
Alright.
If you're watching this video, it's likely that you're studying business. If so, keep this in mind. Business isn't Vietnam. There are rules.
That's right, Kunal. In order for a business to be moral and beneficial to the public, it's important that there are government regulations. After all, think of what business would be like if there were no government regulations.
Well, perhaps that's a little extreme, but let's not forget the downfall of companies like Enron, Arthur Andersen, and Ponzi schemes such as Bernie Madoff's. Falsely reported information and other malpractices can lead to the loss of billions of dollars and thousands in jobs.
That's your job and your money. Would you want to lose it because of malpractice?
But it's more than just that. If it wasn't for government regulation, I could do this in the workplace, or I could be bribing my IRS agent over my tax liability.
I'd never want that to happen. So what is business law and ethics?
Business law and ethics is the major that focuses on providing students with an understanding of business regulations and examining a variety of current legal issues affecting business and society.
That's great, but I'm happy becoming an accountant. Why would I want to major in business law and ethics?
Wait, weren't you the one that mentioned Arthur Andersen?
Yes, but I would never falsely report information like they did. Why would I need to major in this field?
How ignorant could Alex be? There's many advantages to majoring in business law and ethics.
Perhaps the biggest advantage is that majoring in business law and ethics does not have to be your only major. In fact, most people that major in business law and ethics major in another subject as well.
All it takes is 15 credit hours to complete the business law and ethics courses.
So you're saying that it only takes 15 credit hours to become a business law and ethics major, have strong business values, and possibly avoid fraud that I may have committed otherwise? That sounds like an offer I can't refuse.
But wait, there's more.
If you apply to be a business law and ethics major today, you get 2 free baseballs.
I don't think that's what she meant.
Oh, well, I was just throwing it out there.
You know, another advantage of learning business law and ethics is that it is often helpful for pre-law students, providing them with a good background of business practices.
But it's likely that most of you watching aren't pre-law majors, and therefore I would like to remind you of the phrase, know your enemy better than yourself.
Now, not all lawyers are particularly evil, but business lawyers do speak in jargon unknown to most. Take a look at this conversation between a lawyer and his client's boss.
My client would like a 50% increase adjusted to inflation. 2 weeks sabbatical at times, whenever he pleases. 5% gross merchandising. The ability to embezzle, withhold needed information, and half of your salary.
Well, I have no idea what you're saying, so I'm sold.
Now, although this particular situation would never occur, keep in mind that you must always work with lawyers in business. They play the role of the middleman. By speaking their language, you can ensure that business lawyers will never mislead you in any transaction.
Speaking of lawyers, if you plan on starting a business, you can cut down costs by hiring less lawyers to assist you. If you understand business law, you can structure your business to fit government regulations without other assistance. So no more hiring that guy.
It is also important to note that people notice companies who avoid government rules. If a company dodges these, it often comes back to haunt them. Remember BP? Its stock dropped in half following Deepwater Horizon's oil spill. So if you're ever planning on investing, understanding what companies must do to be ethical and which ones are meeting those standards could be valuable information.
Perhaps the most important reason to get a major in business law and ethics is this. Legal studies focus on enhancing one's critical reasoning and analytical skills.
In the best-selling book Academically Adrift, it is suggested that business majors learn amongst the least in college, as they have no improvement in writing or analytical skills, two treasured abilities by employers.
As business law and ethics stresses the importance of one's ability to reason, they have the ability to learn more by studying this field and becoming a greater asset to a company.
Let's review. Number 1. Without business law, companies would have the ability to cheat the public. Number 2. To major in business law and ethics, all it takes is 15 credits at the Kelley School of Business. Number 3. Business law and ethics is a good prerequisite to law school. Number 4. Taking legal studies courses allows you to speak lawyers' jargon. Number 5. Business law and ethics helps a person understand how to construct their business in conformance with government regulations. Number 6. Business law and ethics improves critical thinking skills.
So should you join the business law and ethics program? We think yes. What do you think? Join us next week for our special presidential election, Who Will Win, airing on November 7th.